Microsoft Excel MacOS. 1. Excel is a program developed by Microsoft. A. Spreadsheet. B. Document. C. Data management. D. All of the above. Answer: A. Spreadsheet. Explanation: Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft. 2. What is the extension of a Microsoft Excel file? A. MSXCLBXCLCXLSXDXLSM. Answer: C. XLSX. Explanation: XLSX is the extension of a Microsoft Excel file. 3. What is the default file name of Microsoft Excel file? A. Workbook.xlsx. B. Workbook1.xlsx. C. Worksheet.xlsx. D. Worksheet1.xlsx. Answer: B. Workbook1.xlsx. Explanation: The default file name of Microsoft Excel file is Workbook1.xlsx. 4. Shortcut key Ctrl+D is used to: A. Open font dialog box. B. Open format cells dialog box. C. Shift current cell's value in the right cell. D. Fill down in the selection. Answer: D. Fill down in the selection. Explanation: Shortcut key Ctrl+D is used to fill down in the selection. 5. Microsoft Excel is used for: A. Analysis. B. Data entry. C. Data management. D. Accounting. E. Budgeting. F. All of the above. Answer: F. All of the above. Explanation: Microsoft Excel is typically used for: I. Analysis. 2. Data entry. 3. Data management. 5. Accounting. V. Budgeting. 6. Data analysis. 7. Visuals and graphs. 8. Programming. 9. Financial modeling. X. And many more. 6. What is the collection of worksheets called? A. Ledger. B. Book. C. Testbook. D. Workbook. Answer: D. Workbook. Explanation: The collection of worksheets is called a workbook. 7. The total number of rows in a worksheet. A. Unlimited. B. 65,535. C. 1,048,576. D. 1,068,576. Answer: C. 1,048,576. Explanation: The total number of rows in a worksheet is 1,048,576. 8. The total number of columns in the worksheet. A. 26. B. 256. C. 12,834. D. 16,384.
Answer: D. 16,384. Explanation: The total number of columns in a worksheet is 16,384. 9. What is the column width in a worksheet? A. 26 characters. B. 128 characters. C. 255 characters. D. 256 characters. Answer: C. 255 characters. Explanation: The column width in a worksheet is 255 characters. 10. The total number of characters that a cell contains is: A. 32,767 characters. B. 32,768 characters. C. 65,535 characters. D. 1. 32. 767 characters. Answer: A. 32,767 characters. Explanation: The total number of characters that a cell contain are 32,767 characters. 11. How many hyperlinks can be there in a worksheet?
A. 32,767 B. 32,768 C. 65,530 D. 65,535.
Answer: C. 65,530. Explanation: There can be a maximum of 65,530 hyperlinks in a worksheet. 12. How many times undo levels can be used in a worksheet?
A. 25 B. 50 C. 75 D. 100.
Answer: D. 100. Explanation: There are 100 undo levels in a worksheet. 13. How many users can open the Excel file at the same time? A. 64 users. B. 128 users. C. 256 users. D. 512 users. Answer. C. 256 users. Explanation. A total number of 256 users can open the Excel file at the same time. For this, the Allow changes by more than one user setting should be enabled. 14. The intersection of a column and a row in a worksheet is called A. Box B, cell C, range D, page break. Answer. B. Cell explanation. The intersection of a column and a row in a worksheet is called a cell. 15. The fill function can be to complete formulas in a range. A. Single-clicked B, double-clicked C, triple-clicked D, right-clicked. Answer. B. Double-clicked explanation. The fill function can be double-clicked to complete formulas in a range. 16. Which logical function returns true if all arguments evaluate true, false if not? A or B, and C if D and if. Answer. B and explanation. The AND function is used to test multiple conditions and returns true if all arguments evaluate true, false if not. Syntax equals and. 17. Which logical function returns true if one or more arguments evaluates to true, false if all arguments evaluate to false? A or B, and C if D and if. Answer. A or. Explanation. The OR function is used to test multiple conditions and returns true if one or more evaluates to true, and returns false if all arguments evaluate to false. Syntax equals or. 18. The Excel function returns the Boolean value false. A. True false. B. False. C. Both of the above. D. There is no such function. Answer. B. False explanation. The Excel false function returns the Boolean value false. Syntax equals false example equals if. 19. What is the correct syntax of if function? A equals if B equals if false. C equals if D equals if. Answer. D equals if explanation. The correct syntax of if function is equals if. 20. Which function is used to trap and handle errors? A. If error. B. Error. C. IFNAD if trap. Answer. A. If error explanation. The if error function is used to trap and handle errors. Syntax equals if error example equals if error. 21. Which function is used to trap and handle hashtag and /a errors? A. If error. B. Error. C. IFNAD IFRORNA. Answer. C. IFNA. Explanation. The IFNA function is used to trap and handle hashtag and /a errors. Syntax equals IFNA example equals IFNA error not found. 22. Which function is used to get a date n working days in the future or past? A. Workday. B. Day. C. Workdate. D. DAYM. Answer. A. Workday. Explanation. The workday function is used to get a date n working days in the future or past. Syntax equals workday. 23. Which function is used to match multiple values and returns the first match? A. If. B. If. C. IIF. D. Switch. Answer. D. Switch. Explanation. The switch function is used to match multiple values and returns the first match. Syntax equals switch example equals switch. 24. Which function is used to create a date with year, month, and day?
A date, B datif, C date, value des date.
Answer: a date. Explanation: the date function is used to create a date with year, month, and day. Syntax equals date example equals date / returns August 26, 2022. 25. Which function is used to get days, months, or years between two dates?
A date, B datif, C date, value des date.
Answer: B. datif. Explanation: the dative function is used to get days, months, or years between two dates. Syntax equals dative example equals dative / returns 2 equals dative / returns 24 equals dative / returns 730. 26. What is the keyboard shortcut to insert a sum formula in MS Excel?
BL, CL, SSRL.
Answer: B. Alt plus equals. Explanation: the keyboard shortcut to insert a sum formula is Alt plus equals. For this, select the cell range and press Alt plus equals. You will get the sum of the values of the selected range. 27. What is the keyboard shortcut to switch between open Excel windows?
A. Control plus Stat, D. Alt plus Stat saras, Control plus Alt plus Stat V saras.
None of the above. Answer: A. Control plus Tab. Explanation: the keyboard shortcut to switch between open Excel windows is Control plus Tab. 28. What is the keyboard shortcut to display the Format Cells dialog box in MS Excel?
A. Contrôle plus FB, Alt plus 1, C. Contrôle plus Shift plus FD, Contrôle plus 1.
Answer: D. Control plus 1. Explanation: the keyboard shortcut to display the Format Cells dialog box is Control plus 1. 29. What is the keyboard shortcut to copy the value from the cell above the active cell into the cell or the formula bar in MS Excel?
CTRL Shift, CB, CTRL, CTRL, DL, Shift.
Answer: C. Control plus Shift plus. Explanation: the keyboard shortcut to copy the value from the cell above the active cell into the cell or the formula bar is Control plus Shift plus. 30. What is the keyboard shortcut to copy a formula from the cell above the active cell into the cell or the formula bar in MS Excel? A. Control plus single quote B. Alt plus C. Control plus Alt plus D. Control plus Shift plus F. Answer: A. Control plus single quote. Explanation: the keyboard shortcut to copy a formula from the cell above the active cell into the cell or the formula bar is Control plus single quote. 31. What is the keyboard shortcut to view formulas instead of values in MS Excel? A. Control plus grave accent B. Alt plus C. Control plus Alt plus D. Control plus Shift plus F. Answer: A. Control plus explanation. The keyboard shortcut to view formulas instead of values is Control plus grave accent. 32. Which symbol is used to specify the fixed columns or rows in the formula? A. Equals B. Asterisk C. $D %. Answer: C. Explanation. The dollar symbol is used to specify the fixed columns or rows in the formula. 33. The currently selected cell address is displayed in A. Name box B. Formula bar C. Both A and BD. None of the above. Answer: A. Name box explanation. Currently selected cell address is displayed in the name box. 34. Which programming language is used to write a macro in MS Excel?
C, B, C Java de Visual Basic.
Answer. D. Visual Basic Explanation. Visual Basic is the programming language that is used to write a macro in MS Excel. 35. What is the correct value of the function? Equals round. A. 24b, 23c, 25d, 2. Answer. B. 1.23 explanation. The function equals round will return 1.23. 36. What is the correct value of the function? Equals round. A. 1.98b, 1.99c, 2d, 1.00. Answer. B. 1.99 explanation. The function equals round will return 1.99. 37. In MS Excel, merge and center is used to A. Combine and center the content of the selected cell B. Combine and center the content of the current row C. Concatenate the text of the two cells and returns the text D. None of the above. Answer. A. Combine and center the content of the selected cell explanation. In MS Excel, merge and center is used to combine and center the content of the selected cell. 38. Which feature is used to wrap extra long text into multiple lines in MS Excel? A. Word wrap B, letter wrap C, text wrap D, wrap text. Answer. D. Wrap text explanation. In MS Excel, wrap text feature is used to wrap extra long text into multiple lines so that you can see all text. 39. Which keyboard shortcut is used to apply wrap text on the selected text?
A Ctrl H Shift B Alt Shift H C Alt H Shift D Alt Shift.
Answer. C. Alt plus H plus W explanation. The keyboard shortcut used to apply wrap text on the selected text is Alt plus H plus W. 40. Which feature is used to rotate the text diagonally or vertically of the selected cells in MS Excel? A. Orientation B, text layout C, text flip D, cell orientation. Answer. A. Orientation explanation. In MS Excel, the orientation feature is used to rotate the text diagonally or vertically of the selected cells. 41. Steps for protecting a sheet by password in MS Excel. A. Under the Review tab, click on Protect Current Sheet B. Under Insert tab, click on Protect Sheet C. Under Data tab, click on Protect Sheet D. Under the Review tab, click on Protect Sheet. Answer. D. Under Review tab, click on Protect Sheet explanation. In MS Excel, to protect a sheet by password, under the Review tab, click on Protect Sheet. 42. Under which tab, the chart options are available in MS Excel? A. Data B, Insert C, Review D, View. Answer. B. Insert explanation. In MS Excel, the chart options are available in Insert tab. 43. Which chart type is used to visually compare values across a few categories? A. Area chart B, bar chart C, donut chart D, hierarchy chart. Answer. B. Bar chart explanation. In MS Excel, the bar chart is used to visually compare values across a few categories. 44. Which chart type is used to show trends over time and categories? A. Area chart B, bar chart C, donut chart D, hierarchy chart. Answer. A. Area chart explanation. In MS Excel, The bar chart is used to show trends over time and categories. 45. Which chart type is used to show the proportions of a while? A. Area chart. B. Bar chart. C. Donut chart. D. Hierarchy chart. Answer: C. Donut chart. Explanation. In MS Excel, the donut chart is used to show the proportions of a while. It can be used when the total of your numbers is 100%. 46. Which is not a text function in MS Excel? A. Code. B. Clean. C. Char. D. DB. Answer: D. DB. Explanation. The DB is a financial function, not a text function. The rest of the others are text functions. 47. Which Excel function is used to get the discount rate for security?
Discount be disk ser.
Answer: B. Disk. Explanation. The disk function is used to get the discount rate for security. 48. What is the keyboard shortcut to insert a new comment in a cell in MS Excel? A. F2B, Control plus F2C, Alt plus F2D, Shift plus F2. Answer: D. Shift plus F2. Explanation. The keyboard shortcut to insert a new comment in a cell is Shift plus F2. 49. What is the keyboard shortcut to insert a new sheet in the current workbook in MS Excel? A. Shift plus F9B, Shift plus F10C, Shift plus F12D, Shift plus F11. Answer: D. Shift plus F11. Explanation. The keyboard shortcut to insert a new sheet in the current workbook is Shift plus F11. 50. Which option allows you to display all numbers which are less than 0 in red color in MS Excel? A. Styling. B. Conditional formatting. C. Compare formatting. D. Special formatting. Answer: B. Conditional formatting. Explanation. By using the conditional formatting feature, we can apply special formatting based on the conditions. 51. Under which menu we can insert header and footer on the sheet? A. Format. B. Review. C. Data. D. Insert. Answer: D. Insert. Explanation. The header and footer option is available in the Insert menu. We can insert the header and footer in the sheet by clicking on the Header and Footer option from Text Group in the Insert menu.